Start inside the tutorial project, then use Add Papers. This keeps the search attached to the correct review library instead of a different workspace. Open Search Databases. This tab is the canonical place to choose a source, type a Boolean-style query, and see whether a source will use a public API or your paired browser. With coordinated search selected, AI4Meta lists public databases first, then shows which SSO databases can be routed through the paired browser. This is a pre-flight check, not proof that an institutional search has already succeeded. Before choosing Web of Science, Scopus, or PsycINFO for real, verify the Connected Browsers page, enabled databases, recent audit rows, and any session expired warnings. If those checks fail, use a public source or fix the browser session first.